डियर स्टूडेंट्स अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्लास 11th के लिए जो हम टॉपिक पढ़ रहे हैं बायोमॉलिक्यूल्स, आज की टॉपिक में हमें पढ़ने हैं फैटी एसिड्स एंड कोलेस्ट्रॉल। ये हमने कल पढ़ा था। तो कैटेगरीज ऑफ फैटी एसिड्स है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नेचर ऑफ बॉन्ड्स फैटी एसिड्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज, सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स एंड अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स। देन we will have a difference between saturated and unsaturated fatty acids. So let's start. We will draw a chart. Column first saturated fatty acids, and in column second we will kept unsaturated fatty acids. Now we will discuss it by point. Occurrence. जो saturated fatty acids हैं, they are more common in animal tissues. Unsaturated fatty acids are more common in plant tissues. ये याद थावन कि यम saturated fatty acids छ लबान animal tissue मज तो unsaturated fatty acids plant tissue मज. Nature of chain, straight chain compounds, bending. Unsaturated fatty acids they are bending in their structure. Nature of bonds, single bonds only. They have one or more double bonds. Physical nature, solid at room temperature. You must saturated fatty acids, they are solid at room temperature. Unsaturated fats, one or more, they are liquid at room temperature, so called oils. You unsaturated fatty acids, must liquid at room temperature. General formula CnH2nO2. In case of unsaturated fatty, they have CnH2n-2xO2. It depends upon the number of carbons, how many carbons he can accommodate, then he by broken chain by brought. Melting point. In case of saturated fatty acids, the melting point is high. But in case of unsaturated fatty acids, the melting point is low. Examples: palmitic acid. Unsaturated fatty acids, oleic acid. On the basis of their synthesis, fatty acids are divided into two categories, essentially essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. We will also differentiate between essential fatty acids and non-essential fatty acids. Synthesis cannot be synthesized in the body tissue and must be present in the diet. Non-essential fatty acids can be synthesized in the body tissues, so may or may not be present in the diet. Occurrence present in a number of vegetable oils, for example safflower oil. Mainly present in animal fats, for example butter. Examples: linoleic acid, linoleic acid and arachidonic acid. In case of non-essential fatty acids, it is palmitic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid. इसके बाद हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक होगा वह है कोलेस्ट्रॉल. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. सो हमारा जो आज का टॉपिक था वो था डिफरेंस बिटवीन सैचुरेटेड एंड अनसैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स. कुछ डिफरेंस यमन डिफरेंस कि सैचुरेटेड फैटी एसिड्स गई तम यम ज़्यादा लबान एनिमल टिश्यू मज स्ट्रेट चेन कंपाउंड्स बे सिंगल बॉन्ड्स बॉन्डिंग इज सॉलिड एट रूम टेम्परेचर तो इन मेल्टिंग पॉइंट हाई. In case of unsaturated fatty acids, they are common in plant tissues. They are bending in nature. double bonds. Liquid at room temperature. Melting point low. Example: the human with palmitic acid, human with oleic acid. Thank you for watching.